Every time I lay my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that I've been hurt before.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're about to change the brake pads on the 2015 Honda Accord. We just finished the other side. I know you guys hear me breathing, but I lift up the jack coming downstairs and some other things we was doing. So I'm basically exhausted. We got a wheel lock on this one, so we're gonna get the wheel lock, and this is a 16 millimeter socket. Take off the bolts, and or you could just use the other wrench that the car comes with and take it off. And we're going to install these ceramic brake pads. Pretty easy, pretty simple. I think it's even easier than my car, my Toyota Avalon. So we just finished the other side. It takes a 14 to take off the bolt to get to the pads. So it's pretty easy and simple, and let's get down to business. First, let me break these loose. That's one. Hold on, give me a minute, guys, give me a minute. It's hard to do it one hand, but we got to do what we got to do. All right, you already pressed it, right? All right, so we rolling. Put this underneath there for safety. We don't want no what you call it, fatalities. All right, so over here now, right here, bring it down, and show them. Yeah, go from that side. So right here we need the 14. So we're gonna break that 14. You need something like this, or you're gonna need an extension, because sometimes there's not enough leverage. So let me see. So basically put that on there. All right, got him.
Easy.
Yep. Got it. Easy. Piece of cake. Push that up. Brake pads right here. Just easily line it up. Can never go wrong. If you have any brake cleaner or to spray, you can spray to clean that out. Hold on. Yep, this way. That's one. Piece of cake. This one line up with the other one. You just pull it out like this. This one was basically metal to metal.
Wow.
This one was making the noise. Yeah. See?
Yep.
No life.
Gone.
For this one, can't really see to. Okay, this is it. Yep, perfect. So it's pretty easy and simple, guys. Now at the top, right here, you need to push in this piston. You could use an old pad. Do it like so. Let me roll it out a little bit.
push this like, still need some more.
this. Just keep on twisting till it get real tight. So we start pushing it out. Push the piston all the way in. If you can't get it twisting, it is not gonna drop. Going in. In. You can leave this. This don't ain't gonna really mess with nothing. Put back in the screw. So it's easy and simple. And I have another thing that I gotta warn you guys. When y'all finish changing your brakes, when you finish putting back on the tire, make sure you pump your brakes a few times so it gets hard. Because if you don't, you're not gonna have no brakes.
Oh, wow.
So make sure you do that. All right.
Good job.
Go ahead, pick up the tire and line it back up.
Yeah, man. That's your YouTube video.
Woo. It is so hot and humid out here. Oh my. Got it. Just keep it like that.
Hold it.
Nah, well, yeah, nah.
I think it should be good.
Yeah. One. Oh yeah, here's the camera. We're rolling. Two. And one of them was the thing, right?
Yep.
One of them was the lock.
Yep.
This one was.
Last but not least. Wheel lock.
Drop it down, make sure. Don't want no fatalities.
Nope.
Perfect. Alright, so what
Wow.
we're gonna do, we're gonna pump the brakes a You go inside of it because my hands is dirty. Go ahead. Yeah, go inside the vehicle and pump the brakes until it gets hard.
Turn it on?
No, don't turn it on. Just pump the brakes. Brakes. Pump it all the way in until it turns hard.
Oh, yeah, it's hard.
Do it a few more times.
Very hard.
Go ahead. Another one. Basically, what are you doing? You're pushing the piston. You're pushing the piston in. So if you didn't do that, you're not gonna have no front brakes.
Wow. Yeah, it's very hard.
It's hard now.
Yes.
Push it a few more times. Gotta make sure. Trust me, I've seen it happen before. They're trying to stop and couldn't stop. That should be good. All right.
That's nice. That's nice.
Let me move those stuff out of the way so you could test drive it. So you could take that stuff off the top. Test drive it and tell me how it feels and everything. All right, guys, I'm gonna cut the video right here. Woo! That's how you change the front brake pads for 2015 Honda Accord. Very easy and simple when the sun is not hot. And man, it is burning up. It is burning up. Look at my hands. Hey, they say when your hands is not dirty, you're not doing no work.
Right, man. Right. I appreciate it.
Here you go.
Thank you.
All right, guys, so we're gonna close this out and take care. Have a blessed day. I really appreciate the love and the support. To watch my video and share it. This could save you a lot of money than you taking it to a shop paying somebody. Purchase your own brakes, do it yourself. Get the tools, do it yourself. Easiest 1, 2, 3, piece of cake. Peace out, bye-bye, take care, God bless. I am out.
Honest, get into the money, 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 get